What's up everyone, my name is Perfect. Today we are going to do simultaneous equations using elimination method. As you can see here, I have an example, and when you are using elimination method, you either first eliminate the x values or the y values by using either the coefficients of x or the coefficients of y. So in this case, let us use the coefficients of x. So we have 1/2 and 3 here. So this 3 we're going to put it on the first equation. It is going to multiply the first equation, and this 1/2 is going to multiply the second equation. So let us put our 3 here and our 1/2 here. So we say 3 times 1/2 x is 1.5 x plus 3 times 3y is 9y is equals to 4 times 3 is 12, and we say 1/2 times 3 is 1.5x plus 1/2 times 2y is 1y is equals to 8 times half is 4. So as you can see here, now for the coefficient of x, we have 1.5 in both equations. So we subtract the second equation from the first equation. So we subtract the second equation from the first equation like this. So we say 1.5x minus 1.5x, which is 0, and you say 9y minus 1y is equals to 12 minus 4. Let me write it down. Say, because here we have 0, so we are not going to write anything. So we say 9 minus positive 1y, here it's 9y. We have to put it in brackets, is equals to 12 minus 4. So this negative multiplies everything in the bracket, so and it becomes 9y minus 1y, so it's equals to 12 minus 4 is 8, and 9y minus 1y is 8y. 8y is equals to 8, and we divide both sides by 8. 8y is equals to 8 divided by 8 divided by 8. 8 into 8 is 1. So in this case, our y is 1. This is our answer for y. So to find the x value, you substitute 1 where y is. So you can check one of these. You can use one of these equations, either the first equation or the second equation. So let me use the second equation. So we say 3x plus 2. Where y is, we are substituting it by 1. So we put 1 is equals to 8. And we say 3x plus 2 times 1 is 2 is equals to 8. And we say 3x is equals to 8 minus 2, which is 6, and here we have 3x, and you divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. 3 into 3 is 1, and 3 into 6 is 2. So our x is equals to 2. So this is the answer for x. And to prove this, If it is correct, you substitute these values in your equation. Let me use the second equation here. So we say 3 and we substitute x with 2 plus 2, substitute y by 1. So when we add these values, we have to get 8 here. So we say 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 times 1 is 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So which means our values are correct. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.